at the personal level, I'll say that, so the sleeping pattern, yes, it is increased. So that usually I sleep for 10 to 11 hours. That is, I feel comfortable. So 5 to 6 hours is actually made me, comfortable for now. And I have my, 2 3 alarms actually. But nowadays I switched off everything. That is one thing. And second thing is, I'm quite, had kidney stones, at least a good history. So usually you will know that, the kidney stones, like that is a second pain for a human, wherein the first one they'll call it as a pregnancy delivery. So the second one is actually called as a kidney stone. So this time my perspective got changed. When I'm actually having the kidney stone or something, the pain it comes means, I'll go to my wife, hey Pavitra, I'm getting a pain here. So like that, I'm actually saying that, it's not something, oh, I'm getting a pain here or something like that. So she says, oh, what is this guy, is something, he's getting a pain and he's, still he's smiling, something like that. So that's how I'm actually. And Chandra sir mentioned that, whenever you wake up, with a pain or something in the midnight, go for a meditation. So whenever I try that, so, and I'm really happy that. And yes, there are some the approach to that, since to this ailment has made me, different. Because of that, in fact, I don't know, somehow that one of the kidney stone came out actually in the during the, in this last 2 3 months. I'm really happy about that. And yes, the perspective itself, it got changed. The angry, like, I'm going into the two extreme sides, like, as I'm very closer to the person, the same thing, I'll having him more angry actually, the anger management, it's really very difficult for me. I tried many things, but nothing. When actually anger comes means, nothing actually will come, will work out the technique, at least the meditation. Actually, the meditation actually I went through only because of, I need to actually reduce my anger. That is one perspective. But actually, this is, going for one benefit. Actually, together many benefits actually came up. And the listening process, like, someone talks very lengthier. For example, someone tells you, problem for, they make a lengthier dialogue, and you will lost in the middle actually. Okay, he started with something and then finally ended with something. Okay, what I need to respond, something like that, right? I landed in many situations like that. So then I don't know what to tell or something like that. Now I'm the listening power, increased to 300x power, something like that, at least for me. So wherein, like, I'm able to listen properly and then able to, respond properly. Memory power, yeah. In fact, I had two books actually on the memory too, but I never read it, at least beyond 2 3 pages, how to improve your memory. But at least here in this course, it increased me my memory a lot and lot. And conscious over the talking. So I'm not saying that, I'm very super duper that, yes, I'm very conscious enough. But at least earlier I used to talk, and then after some realize it, or sometimes I don't realize it what I spoke or something like that. Now at least, something, taking some baby steps, what I'm talking and what are the words that I'm using it. And very anxious actually, which I don't never know. I been into Australia as well, like everywhere they written, you should not be anxious, something like that, but I never know what is the meaning for anxious. But at least now I am able to, get that meaning, and at least able to get that feel what is anxious, and I'm able to overcome it. And I'm depressed, it's like, it's like the sine wave, you see, right? The few days it will be up and running, and then you'll be energetic, I'm energetic, active. And for a few days I'll be down. Okay, oh, that's how I'll be like that. But now I'm able to, face any person, any situation. I'm really active enough.